atomic structure. 30 questions we'll discuss now. It is like an exam paper. Absolute mass of the electron in kilogram is 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kilogram. So option 2 is right. Which of the following particle is not present in protium? Protium is 1H1, where it contains one electron, one proton, but there are no neutrons. A flight is going near my home. If S1 be the specific charge of cathode rays and S2 be the positive rays, then which is true? Cathode rays means electrons. Electrons E by M is always greater than protons because mass of electrons is very minimum. Sorry for the sound. The massive particle among the following is, definitely it is alpha particle because alpha particle is helium-24. Mass is 4. Deuterium means mass is 2, H12 deuteron. Proton is 1H1, mass is 1. Beta particle is E minus 10, this is electron, electron mass is minimum. Which of the following statement is correct about the electron? The mass of electron is equals to mass of the neutrons, wrong. The mass of the electron is equals to mass of the proton, wrong. It is a basic constant of all. This is right. It is a constant of cathode rays, not anode. The E by M value of electron is 1.75 or 76 into 10 to the power of 11 coulomb per kilogram. Option B. When the speed of the electron increases, the specific charge decreases. When speed increases, specific charge decreases. Okay, this you can give by the rest mass equation. You can remember. The speed of the electron, generally speed of the electron won't increase. If it is increasing, definitely specific charge will be decreasing. The nature of anode rays depends upon. Anode rays means protons. Protons definitely depends on the nature of the gas field. That's why we generally don't give E by M value of anode rays. We give E by M value of cathode rays only. The increasing order of specific charge of electron, proton, alpha particle and neutron. This is a very, very standard question. Increasing order N alpha Pe. Right? Neutron, no charge. Okay, so that is least. Electron, one charge and mass is very minimum. That's why it is strong. You can take like this: neutron, charge 0. Alpha particle, charge +2. Proton, charge +1. Electron, charge -1. Magnitude is 1, you can consider. Masses, if you take, here mass is 1836. If you take, this will be 4 into 1836 because it is helium particle. And this is again 1836. And this is 1. Or you can say simply this is 1 by 1836 times. This is 1 time. This is 4 times. So obviously, neutron is the least. And alpha and protons, if you compare, alpha is less. Very standard question. I think very long back it was asked in IIT, previous IIT question. The fundamental particle which is not deflected by electric and magnetic fields is common sense. It is neutron because neutron is yes, neutron is electrically neutral. 41st question. Which of the following reaction led to the discovery of neutrons? Which of the following reactions led to the discovery of neutrons? It is the reaction that is memory based. You can remember in all the reactions there is neutron, but that is the memory based point. Difference in chlorine 35 and chlorine 37 atoms is definitely number of neutrons or number of electrons or atomic number. Which is best? Okay, now difference here. Atomic number is same. Mass number is 35 and 37. So here 35, 17, 18 and here 20. 20 and 18 neutrons are different. Alpha particle is denoted as helium +2. Alpha particle is helium +2. The isoelectronic pair of 32 electrons is, 32 electrons should be there. So here 28. So this is not right. You need to check all this. So all of this cannot be. And here you see carbon 3 oxygens. Okay, carbon is 6, 3 oxygens means each 8, 8 3s are 24 plus 2 electrons gained. So 32 electrons are definitely. And phosphorus itself has 15 electrons plus 4 oxygens. So it is definitely going gas. So this will be your answer. Thomson atomic model is known as plum pudding model, or you say watermelon model. Rutherford's model of atom proved the presence of nucleus and it is known as, okay, planetary model, na? Correct. Rutherford model of an atom could not explain what it cannot explain. Spectra and stability it cannot explain because it doesn't know anything about the stability of electrons or spectra of atoms. Among 10, 11, all these are given. Isobar combination is, isobars means must have same mass numbers. So 22 and 22. It should be C and D. The atomic weight of an element is 23 and its atomic number is 11. The number of protons, electrons and neutrons respectively present in atom of the element is 11. Na? So 11 electrons, 11 protons and 12. 11, 11, 12. It should be A. The proton and neutron are collectively called as nucleons. The number of neutrons in the dipositive zinc ion is, zinc is 65 mentioned here. 65 minus atomic number is 30, so it is 35. In sodium, 11 protons are present, then its atomic number is, atomic number of sodium is 11. The mass number of cation is 40. If there are 18 electrons in the cation, the number of neutrons in the nucleus of the atom is, when mass number is given 40, in the cation 18 electrons are there means after losing 2 electrons. So number of electrons will be actually in the normal atom will be 20. So 20 is the atomic number, 40 is the mass number. If you want to know the number of neutrons exactly, 20, 40 minus 20. An oil drop has 6.39 10 to the power of minus 19 charge. So number of electrons will be 4. Standard question again, because 1 electron charge is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. If you divide, you will be getting 4. 1 electron charge is 1.6 10 to the power of minus 19. So 4 electron charge will be that one. The number of nucleons in carbon atom. Carbon atom number of nucleons will be 12. Very simple. 6 protons and 6 neutrons. If sodium plus is isoelectronic with a uninegative X minus, then the number of protons in the X is, sodium plus is isoelectronic with X minus is asking. So sodium plus contains 10 electrons. It must contain 10 electrons. Okay, now after gaining 1 electron, it is having 10 means number of protons will be 9. So there are 9 protons. The energy of photon is 3 into 10 to the power of minus 12 erg. What is the wavelength? So energy is given, wavelength is asking, E is equal to hc by lambda, or lambda is equal to hc by E. 6.62 into 10 to the power of minus 27 x second given here, into 3 into 10 to the power of 10 centimeters per second is given here. And okay, energy is given here 3 into 10 to the power of minus 12. If you simplify this, you will be getting the answer as 662. If energy in electron volt is given as E is equals to 12400 by something is given here, then how many photons having wavelength 4000 angstroms will make energy 9.3 electron volts? Let me check this question once. Okay, lambda in, oh, lambda in angstrom, very sorry, lambda. Okay, lambda. E is equal to 12400 and he mentioned here 4000 angstroms. It's very simple. How many will make energy 9.3 electron volts? 9.3 electron volts, you convert this into joules by multiplying with 1.6 to 10 to the power of minus 90, it will turn into joules. Just substitute the value, you will be getting the answer. The answer should be 3. Check that. If you are not getting, let me know. The wavelength of light having wave number 4000 centimeter inverse in micrometers he is asking me. So first you convert into centimeters, then you convert into micrometers. It is not a big issue. So first what you need to do is nu bar is equals wavelength is given, nu bar is equals to wave number is given, wavelength is equals to nu bar is equals to 1 by lambda, lambda is equal to 1 by nu bar, 1 by 4000 centimeter inverse. Again, if you make it simple, 1 by 4000 centimeter inverse or 1 by 4000 means, if you simplify, finally you will be getting the answer as 250. If you are not getting, yes, 250. If you are not getting, tell me, let me know. Micrometers, we know the conversion. 1 meter is equals to 10 to the power of 6 micrometers, which we call micron type. The energy of an electron electromagnetic radiation is 19.875 into 10 to the power of minus 13x. What is the wavelength in centimeter inverse? H is 6.625 10 to the power of minus 27 x second, 3 in 10 to the power of 10 centimeters per second. He mentioned here the energy wavelength he is asking E is equal to hc by lambda. Same formula. Lambda is equal to hc by E. If you simplify this, you will be getting here 10,000 answer. If you are not getting anything, you just mention me, I will explain. Thank you.